YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel. Guys, today we will discuss class 9, chapter number 2, exercise 2.6, question 4, that is about write them into a plus b iota. What you will do, you're going to rationalize it. How you're going to rationalize it, let's see, because when it is, you just remember when the imaginary number iota comes in the denominator, you are going to rationalize it and define the a plus b iota form. So write solution, start solution, minus 2, 1 plus iota. What you will do, simply you are going to rationalize it. What you are going to do, you are going to change the sign of the iota and you are going to multiply also and divide also. 1 minus iota over 1 minus iota. This is the main basic step. Other two steps would be step multiplication. You have to rationalize that what is the denominator. You are going to conjugate. You will take a conjugate of it and then you will multiply also and divide also. Now you are going to simply multiply it, minus 2 into 1 minus iota. Now you just see this becomes a formula a plus b, a minus b, 1 plus iota, 1 minus iota. So it will become 1 square minus iota square. So it will become minus 2 and plus 2 iota. Here come 1. What is the value of iota square? You need to write here minus 1, minus into minus 1. Then you write minus 2 plus 2 iota divided by 1 plus 1 and it will become minus 2 plus 2 iota by 2. What you will do now, you are going to take common 2. So minus 1 plus iota divided by 2. So it becomes minus 1 plus iota. So this is your answer. Now let's solve question number 5.